In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain on Siteground in a few simple steps. Whether you're setting up a specific section on your website or a new project that needs its own distinct domain, this video will guide you through the process, ensuring that everything is set up correctly. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Siteground. Simply type Siteground into your browser's search bar and it should be the first result you see. Once there, you're greeted by their impressive homepage showcasing their services. Next, your task will be to log into your account. Look for the login button. It's usually quite apparent, typically in the upper right hand corner of the page. It'll prompt you to enter your login credentials. Ensure that you have these on hand. Now that you've logged in, you should find yourself in your My Siteground account dashboard. This is the heart of your account where you can view and manage all your hosted sites. Your next move will be to locate and click on the website section. It's here that you can access more specific settings for your individual sites. Start by selecting the site you wish to add a subdomain to. Upon opening the individual site details, you'll find a button marked Site Tools. Clicking on this will take you into a more detailed area for managing this particular site. And now head over to the domain section. This is the part of Siteground where you can manage everything to do with your domains, and soon your new subdomain. Once you're in domains, the next thing you'll see is the option to manage subdomains. Click on this and you'll be led to a page specifically for creating and managing subdomains. At this point, it's time to give your subdomain a name. Think of a name that's memorable and relevant, as it will be how people access this section of your site. Type this name into the provided field, making sure it's formatted correctly. After entering the name, you've almost finished. The final step in this process is pretty straightforward. Simply click on Create. This button is typically found towards the bottom of the field or form you've just filled out. Clicking it will effectively generate your new subdomain. And voila, you're finished. Your subdomain is now live and linked to your main domain, ready for you to put to use. If followed correctly, each of these steps will ensure your subdomain is successfully created without any hassles. Creating a subdomain can enhance your website's functionality and help categorize different areas of your online presence. Thank you for joining and following along. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our channel for more insightful guides. Until next time, happy web managing.